Hey guys, I am Sidra and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, we are making paneer tikka sandwich, and this recipe is specially for all the paneer lovers out there. Here is the list of ingredients you will need for making this recipe. So let's get started. Firstly, chop all the veggies and paneer. Here I have 250 grams paneer chopped into small cubes. You can also grate or crumple them. 1 small capsicum, 1 small tomato, and 1 medium-sized onion. Now let's marinate them. In a mixing bowl, add 2 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, squeeze a few drops of lemon, 2 teaspoon hung curd. Mix them well, making sure all the spices are combined well. Now add in the chopped paneer and veggies. Marinate and let it rest for a few minutes. Heat 2 teaspoon butter in a pan. Add the marinated paneer filling and cook it well for around 8 to 10 minutes. Dry out the excess water if there is any, because we need a completely dry mixture. Now let's give it that smoke. Place a piece of aluminium foil and put a piece of live charcoal in it. Add half a teaspoon butter on top of the charcoal. Quickly cover and smoke it for 2 minutes. Paneer filling is now ready. Now take a bread slice and spread green chutney over it. Add the paneer filling. Apply some butter on another bread slice and cover the sandwiches. Now let's toast them. You can either toast them on a pan or grill them in a sandwich griller. I have already applied butter on one side. Press it gently using a flat spoon to get that crunch and toast until golden brown. Now apply butter on the other side and toast it in the same way. Hot and crisp paneer tikka sandwiches are ready to serve. Cut them in half and serve immediately with tomato ketchup and green chutney. Hope you guys like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and make sure you have the bell notifications on so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.